Today we are going to make a DIY solar oven. Our group members have Rachel Tae-Shuwen, Tae-Zhen Mi, and Jolin Pang Jae-ying. Now let's look at the objective. From this project, we are learning about different ways to concentrate the sun's energy. This method avoids releasing greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Besides, it is a device that uses the sun's radiation and converts it to heat, so we will be no longer depend on electricity or gas to cook the food. Apart from that, the solar oven instructions for users are very simple, but the quality of the food will also remain great too. The materials that we are used to make a solar oven are plastic wrap, aluminum foil, one wood skewer, marker pen, ruler, scissors, tape, one sheet of black construction paper, food to be cooked, and a plate.
First step. Use a marker to draw a square 1 inch from all sides of the box. Step 2. Use a box knife or sharp scissors to cut a flap in the lid of the square box. Fold this flap up so that it stands up when the box lid is closed. Step 3. Cover the inner side of the flap with aluminum foil so that it will reflect rays from the sun. Then, tape the aluminum foil to the back or outer side of the flap. Step 4. Use clear plastic wrap to create an airtight window for sunlight to enter the box. Tape plastic wrap over the hole you cut into the lid. Seal all 4 of the edges with tape. Step 5. Cut a piece of aluminum foil and make sure it can cover the inner surface of the box. Wrap the aluminum foil over the inner surface of the box. Tape them to the outer side of the box. Step 6. Line the bottom of the box with black construction paper and tape it. Step 7. Adjust the reflector and tape one end of the skewer to the reflector lid. Place food inside the plate and place it on the DIY oven.
2,000 years later.
Welcome to our part of size theory involved in this project. In this project, why we want to use aluminum foil? This is because it can reflect the sunlight and the sun heat into the solar oven. So, the food in the solar oven will be heat. Next, why we want to use the black construction paper. In the fact, black can absorb more light than others color. The other color will reflect light, but black just reflects little into none. So, the darker the color, the more the heat absorbed. Black construction paper absorbs the heat at the bottom of the oven to heat the food. And the last, why we want to use plastic wrap. This is because it can let the heat trap inside the oven and prevent the heat from escaping. So, the food in the oven can be heated quickly.
Okay, now let's move on to the last part of this project, application. What are the applications can we apply with this solar oven? First, microwave oven. It channels the heat energy directly to the molecules inside the food. So heating the food is like the sun hitting your face by radiation. Next, solar heater. Solar energy is used in residential homes for heating the water with the help of solar heater. The photovoltaic cell installed on the roof of the house to collect the solar energy and is used to warm water. It really saves our environment and consumption of the electricity by generating electricity from solar energy. Lastly, toaster is one of the applications for this project, as the heat penetrates your bread via light. The molecules in your bread start to move fast. It generates more heat inside your toast, speeding up the cooking process by utilizing conduction and infrared radiation. That's all for our presentation. I hope you all can understand what we have presented. Thank you.